Hi, this is Mason Dusky, and this is my discussion board for Learning Module 6. My thoughts after going through Units 3 and 4 on the Google Fundamental Training, it's kind of the same with the first two we went through. I found them both pretty easy, and they brought a lot to the table on stuff I could do in my future as an educator, just different stuff I can implement and like help my students with. Some of the things we learned in 3 or 4 were sharing a calendar with parents, like that all of them can have, and it shows what we're doing. Different kind of Gmail features you can work with. Chrome apps and extensions, what I thought was very helpful because not a lot of people use them, and I think they're really useful, and more people should get on the ideas of using those. Class-wide updates where you can like send an email to your entire class and it just goes to everybody, and personalized like emails to like parents and guardians, how to do that and how to like create them and just have them ready, and like just organize like information about the parents in like an ordered fashion, which I thought was interesting because I've never really thought about something like that, but it's probably more important in the learning field than I thought, and I just thought that was really interesting. uh would I consider something completing in the future? I don't know necessarily, because that goes along with the other question. Would it make me more marketable? I'm not saying that it would be a bad thing to have, but I don't think it would necessarily make you more marketable, considering just anybody can do it. It's not really like anything super special, but I mean, it might help boost your resume compared to another person's if you had the same exact thing, but you had that and they didn't. That might help you a little bit. And my experience working with Google Docs and Sheets and like slides, I've been doing that ever since I was a freshman in high school. We were a Google high school, so I have a lot of experience with that, and I think they're all pretty easy to use. And I personally, I don't think they have any disadvantages because I love how it's all in the cloud. I like it more than Microsoft personally, and just how everything's saved in a cloud. It doesn't necessarily have to be saved to your computer, and you can access them anywhere, and that's what I think is really good about it. The only one thing I might knock on it is that it doesn't have as many features as like Microsoft programs, but I would still say I prefer Google over Microsoft Word and PowerPoint.